ratatouille, we're gonna start with the sauce at the bottom of a cast iron skillet that I've got heating up over medium heat with olive oil. A few turns of the pan, just enough to coat the bottom. And we're gonna make a paste out of the roasted pepper, and onions and garlic. This is only over medium heat. A little bit of salt and pepper. So for me, I'm going to use this kind of citrusy light heat. Nice sprinkle of Espelette in there. To balance out the heat of the Espelette, I add one little tiny, not even a teaspoon of sugar. Give that a stir. While that's working, let me walk you through what we're going to do next. We're going to build concentric circles of 3 small, firm zucchini, 6 Roma tomatoes, and 2 small to medium eggplants that were nice and firm. The eggplants I salted and put between 2 kitchen towels and let them drain. I drizzled the olive oil over everybody, but I pre-salted the eggplant and let them rest to get all that excess liquid out so our dish won't be too wet. Now we're gonna season these guys with a little fennel seed or fennel pollen and some chopped fresh thyme. As soon as the sauce is done, we're just gonna start working in circles around the pan. Do the outside first and keep working inward, inward, inward. We're gonna cover this with foil and let this cook about 20 minutes or so. Let me take the top off and let it dry out a little bit. Okay guys, so we added tomato and a little torn basil once that onion, garlic, pepper paste cooked way down in vegetable stock. Now we're trying to make tight concentric circles here of all of our vegetables. Now when we cover it, we have to turn it way low on simmer. And you can leave this 20, 30 minutes as long as it's on low. And then we'll uncover it and just let it dry out a little bit. Let it thicken up a touch. Because as I said, we're gonna release all those vegetable juices, right? Okay guys, this is just about ready to serve. It's gonna settle a bit, so I'm gonna turn it off, but you have to let most of this liquid evaporate, which is what we've been doing through that second part of the process after you remove the tin foil. I halved our ciabatta rolls. All we did was char it, rub it with garlic, a half clove of very large garlic clove, rubbed that in, drizzled it with oil, and seasoned it with a little salt. This is my favorite type of dinner. I love serving dinner like this. Rustic style with lots of bread. In our family, it's always the fork, the knife, and the bread. Forget the spoon.